So we're actually out in the truck. We're in the Badlands in South Dakota, and our third day here and our third storm. This is the worst storm. The camper is shaking an uncomfortably amount. I've parked the truck up next to it, so if it does start to tip, it'll hit the truck. But we're in the truck and just waiting it out. But yeah, this is pretty gnarly. I still don't know if this is actually a bad storm or is this just South Dakota. Because we've had 3 of these in 3 days. And right over that edge, that's a cliff. Like, it's, I don't know, 150, 200 feet down beyond, as you see the lightning flash. It's probably 30 yards away. Liz is a bit scared. I was scared in the camper. Now that we're in the truck, I feel pretty good. But fortunately, if you can see over there, there is a ridge that is a good bit higher than we are, and I think that's saving our ass. Like, it's still properly windy, but I think that's acting as a windbreak for us. So I think our rug's gone. You want to say anything, Liz? Yeah, it's scary. We come out to get in the truck, right? And I let Stormy in the back. Liz runs over the passenger side to get in. I jump in the driver's side, and Liz is not getting in. And I give her like, I don't know, 15 seconds, and I'm like, okay, what's going on? So I jump out, run around the side, and she's pulling on the door as hard as she can. She can't, the wind's blowing against it, and she couldn't get it open. So I grab her by the arm and drag her around, and her little ass, the wind is like trying to fly her like a kite. So I throw her in the back with Stormy, which is where she's at now.